Welcome back. Time for Craft Corner. If you're looking for a fun activity to decorate the house with the whole family, we've got you covered.
Yes, we do. Showing us how to make felt Christmas trees is Juliette Mooers from Valley Art Supplies.
Hi.
They are so cute, Juliette.
I love these.
Why do I feel like ours aren't going to come out this good?
They totally will. It's very, once you see the process, I think you'll say, I can do that. It just takes a lot of cutting and a lot of time.
Okay.
So I sat there with a cup of tea.
You need some good scissors for felt.
You need, yes, you need some Fisker scissors.
Yeah.
You need some fabric scissors. That's why I have two here, because I don't cut anything but fabric with these orange handled scissors. Otherwise the blades will get ruined. But that's another.
Yes.
Yeah,
that's another topic.
I would imagine it's very therapeutic to sit there and do some cutting.
It is. I enjoyed it.
Yeah, good relaxing activity.
Yeah, so
you've already pre-cut them for us.
I did. So let me show you how to get started. You basically just need to start with some poster board. I have a whole bunch of this. It's like 99 cents. And you need a ruler. If you don't have a ruler, you can use a pen with a piece of string. But I made these little guys here are 8 inches. So I take my 8-inch mark and I hold it in the corner of on the edge of the poster board, and I make little dots, and I move the ruler up a couple inches, make a dot, all the way around, and then I just connect the dots. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I'm going to cut my cone. So this is probably the most cumbersome part of the project.
Well, I would think too, I thought you probably just eyed it when you made these, but I think just that simple step of using the ruler really helps, because then it's not, you know, all messy on the bottom.
Yes.
Uneven, yeah.
So here's your little cone shape. You're going to try to just pinch the top to kind of get your cone shape going.
And then how do we secure it?
You tape it, which
just tape it.
I didn't bring tape, but
that's okay.
That's fine.
But I have one made right here.
Yes.
Bada bing,
So
bada boom.
here's your cone. Securely tape it. You're not going to see the tape. There you go. Bam. Here's your cone. Okay. Tape, tape, tape. So then you cut about a 2-inch strip of felt, and you're going to glue this onto the bottom. And we just do it. It's going to be the base of your tree. So it's not going to, it's just so you can have like a clean line.
Right, so it's covered.
So you just cover the base with some nice hot glue.
And you'll notice too, like we have the 2 different trees.
Yes.
So you can kind of switch up the colors and play around.
Yes.
This one's multicolored, so.
Yeah, I made that for Sierra, my daughter.
It's cute.
Let me show you what you do next. So here is your base with your nice hot glue. And what you do next is you cut a whole bunch of strips of felt 1.5 inch wide.
Okay.
Just cut a bunch of strips. And from here, you take your felt scissors, and I just kind of get rid of one edge. I'm going to just cut triangles.
Gotcha.
So from here, you just cut.
Go back and forth.
Back and forth. You probably need 2 pieces of felt for an 8-inch tree. This is a bigger tree. I think this one I did is 12 inches, but I wanted one tall one. So you make a bunch of triangles, okay, and then you start. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So you want the little triangle tip to point down.
That makes sense?
Yes. So you basically pick one spot to start. I basically hold it with my thumb.
Yep.
And just put a little bit of glue.
And then, Juliette, we're just going to stack these all the way at the top.
And then stagger it.
There's a couple of pieces you have as well to kind of
add some beads.
top it off.
So you can add some beads, but you can, for quicker, I just found these, and I glued all of those on. But
this is beautiful.
These little beaded pins, you just slide them in.
Bam.
Oh, easy.
Look at that. But I want to tell
cute.
you really quick how to finish the top, because we didn't get there. So stagger your triangles, stagger, stagger, stagger all the way to the top. Make a circle for the top of your cone. Get that out of the way. Make a circle, glue it on there. And then finish going up with your triangles like that, so it's nice and covered and it's nice and neat.
Nice.
It's so simple.
Very easy and a fun activity you can do.
I love that. It's cute.
With the kids.
And you maybe start a little village for your holidays.
There you
Make
go.
one a year and add to your
Absolutely.
collection.
They're so cute.
Yeah.
Of course, Juliette, remind us where we can get some of these supplies.
Yes, Valley Art Supplies, Easthampton, Mass, 76 Cottage Street.
Thank you so much.
All right, you're welcome.
And if you